We are at it again in the east end of Guelph at 22 Sandcreek Lane. The east end of Guelph is probably one of the most family-focused areas in the whole city. Why? Affordable houses for one. 2, walking distance. Your walking distance to Ken Danby Public School, Ecole Guelph Lakes, and Holy Trinity Catholic School. On top of that, we have parks. Now, it wouldn't be a family neighborhood if we didn't have them. We have 4 separate parks, all within walking distance, including Joe Veroni, Severn Park, Grange Road Park, and of course my favorite, the Eastview Community Park, where you can enjoy football, soccer, baseball, splash pads. There's so many trails and so much room for the kids to just run around. The East End also offers you commutability, where you're on the edge of the city, so you can head out east to Toronto, north and south through the city with ease. But on top of all that, it's what you're getting for this price point, which means you can have all this for just, it's not gonna be that easy. You gotta jump inside to find out. "22 Sandcreek Lane, 1,580 square foot semi-detached home. 1-car garage, 2-car parking in the driveway. The foyer 6 feet wide, all tile, coat closet, 2-piece washroom, and garage, all accessible right from the front of the house. Remind me again why we don't put tile in our foyer? Nice and easy clean, especially if you have kids. The main floor opens up to this sun-filled, easy living space with living room, dining room, and kitchen combination, all with just the right amount of privacy. To the back of the house, you have this beautiful dinette area with vaulted ceilings attached to the kitchen, with a picture window facing that backyard. Lush, beautiful, mature trees for tons of privacy. And of course my favorite, these sliders out to the back deck where you can enjoy those summer barbecues. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms, the primary with ensuite privilege and full walk-in closet. And this cute little design feature we have upstairs in the hallway, a reading nook, which is the perfect place for your home office. And then we have the basement. It's fully finished and adds so much extra space, including a full 4-piece washroom, extra bedroom, and this beautiful rec room. I love the wood tones on here and barn doors. It gives that real country feel. But this is a great space where you can enjoy a movie on a Friday night, throw the teenagers down here so you don't have to deal with all their clutter upstairs. But it really adds to this property. And to me, the windows in the basement are one of my favorite parts. I think I've said enough. I'm going to be out on the patio enjoying this beautiful weather. Guys, if you have any questions, I want you to give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show it to you.